SalesRocks is just a few steps away. First, go to app.sales.rocks, then click on the Register button and enter your corporate email. Before you continue, please confirm that this is your email by opening your inbox, where a new email will be waiting for you. Open the email and finish verification by clicking on the Verify button. This will redirect you to the next step, where you'll need to enter your name, surname, mobile phone number, job title, and password. Note that your phone number is asked only for better security of your account and won't be used or saved for any other purposes. When done, click on Submit. As a next step, you will be asked to enter the 6-digit code that you have received on your mobile phone. Once filled in, click on Verify button to proceed. On our last stop, fill in basic company information such as name, size, industry, location, CRM, and your target audience. Click Finish Registration to complete your SalesRocks profile. Almost there. Log in with your newly created account to make this registration official. And voila, your registration is complete. Have fun!